Beta sounds? Meh. Strong sounds? Hell yeah. In this video I'll show you how to turn your weak sounds into more powerful ones. Number 1. Distortion. Distortion is going to add extra harmonics to your sound, making it beefier. Nowadays distortion plugins include multiple layers of distortion so that you can add extra strength to your sound. Simply add distortion and increase the drive to an amount that sounds nicely balanced. Use plugins like Thermal to add layers of distortion to achieve more unique sounds. There's many different distortion types that you can use to get different results. Number 2. Complex effect racks. Complex effect racks will allow you to use more than one effect to make the sound more interesting. Either build your own racks using different effects you can find either in your DAW or in your plugin library, or use ready-made ones like those within, for example, Infiltrator. Usually adding a bit of each of the effects can make a big difference at the end. Even if it's, for example, delay, you can use it in creative ways like this and tease it a little bit. Or reverb by using short timing to increase the width of the sound. Stack the effects and compare before and after at the end to see the difference. Number 3. Transient Shaping. Transient Shaping works great for any sounds that have dynamics. It won't work on sustained sounds. Use it to add power to the drums by increasing the attack. This makes the initial hit of the drum hit harder. Use sustain to either boost or shorten the tail of the sound. This can add power in both situations depending on the sound, so see whether boosting or lowering the tail works better. This is going to add loud volume bumps, so make sure to limit them with a soft clipper preferably. Or a limiter. A clipper will preserve the impact while a limiter will sound smoother. Use it on all sorts of sounds to add power. Speaking of drum fills, before we go any further, I have a little announcement for you. Ladies and gentlemen, for a really long time I was trying to find this perfect drum fill that's gonna fit my track and it's gonna just make it flow so good, and it's gonna transition so well, it's gonna be so energetic, and it's gonna be so vibey, and I was not able to find it. So I decided to create super heavy power drum fills. This is a sample pack that we'll be releasing in the next few days at oversample.us. Because I was lacking these really good drum fills, I decided to finally just make a sample pack and release them for people who are also missing really vibey drum fills. There's gonna be 3 categories: super vibey fills, spacious fills for like big fills, FX fills, fills combined with effects. And as a part of the pack, there will be a drum fill creators kit as a premium edition, and that includes 575 sounds of single drum one-shots so that you can take them and you can create your own drum fills. Like this is what I've been missing. So if you're looking for really high quality drum sounds, check out oversample.us in the next few days. Stay tuned because I will be releasing this pack. Okay, back to the video. Number 4, OTT. Well-known multi-band compressor OTT applies compression on usually 3 bands, making your sounds saucier. Use the time loop to decide how much dynamics the sound will have. Add multiple OTTs to give more power, but at a cost of dynamics, tone of the sound, and artifacts. Although artifacts can be a very nice addition to your sound and can add power too, don't be afraid to use a lot of OTTs. Number 5, layering. Layer multiple sounds together to create big and powerful sounds. Use EQing to connect them together by cutting the frequencies that are overlapping and boosting the ones that are important. Use EQ heavily to change the tone of each sound and to glue them together. Make sure to group all of the sounds and apply extra processing to polish it. If the sound is spiky, try using a clipper to cut the tops of it. Number 6, adding the sub bass. For drums, use effects like this built into Ableton Drum Bass or Knock that will add sub to your sounds, filling that low end and making the sound hit harder. This is great because the sub follows the envelope of the main sound and you can also make it a certain key. So that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for the super heavy power drum fill sample pack coming out soon at oversample.us. If you're looking for any other sounds and free content, check out oversample.us too. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite technique for making the sound strong. I'm really interested in learning some new techniques if you know any. And have a great day. Happy producing and happy Valentine's Day.